A smoky eye is a timeless makeup application technique that suits all skin tones, ages, and lip colors. In today's beginner's guide to makeup, I'll be showing you how to create this basic look using one eyeshadow and one brush. Let's get started. Before we begin, it's important to prime your lids to cover discoloration and create a clean blank canvas for your eyeshadows, which will make them last longer, apply smoother, and look brighter as well. I like to add concealer for extra coverage and powder to set everything in place so it does not budge for the entire day. For this tutorial, I'm using a natural hair blending brush. This is one of my favorite brushes for a smoky eye. I'm using a dark brown eyeshadow with gold undertones. The shade of eyeshadow can be tweaked depending on your skin tone. For example, if you have a porcelain complexion, you will want a softer brown, and if you have darker skin, a brown with gold, red or purple undertones are really complementary. The way you hold a brush will greatly impact the application. If you hold the brush handle at the end, it will give you a lighter hand with application and a softer finish. I like to use this technique for my crease color. Dip the brush downwards lightly into the shadow. Place the brush on the outer corner just above your eyeball. This is your crease. Now start to blend back and forth like wipers. Once the colour is in place, start to swirl your brush upwards in circular motions using a very light hand. This will softly blend out the harsh lines without moving the colour too much. Now hold the brush at the top of the handle. This will give you more control and more colour payoff. Lay your brush flat into the eyeshadow and apply it as if you were using a flat brush. I like to blend across, keeping the first inner quarter blank, and then turn the brush upwards and pat the colour onto the lid for a richer payoff. Once everything's in place, you can start to very lightly buff everything out again by moving your hand back up to the end of the handle. We keep the inner corner blank because this is where your highlight colour will go to brighten and open the eyes. But once everything's in place with no extra product on the brush, you can slowly blend over the inner corner just to get rid of any harsh lines and give a nice smooth finish. By pinching the top of the brush, you can create a smaller, denser type blending brush that is perfect for the lower lash line. Apply more colour on the brush and slowly blend across the lower lash line. Once the colour is in place with no additional product, go back with your blending brush. You can close your eyes if you prefer and just slowly blend over the lower lash line and slowly blend through the crease to make sure there is no harsh lines. Again, you have no extra product on the brush. Now it's time for liner. I'm going in with a black eyeliner, placing this on my waterline and also my tight line. The tight line is the skin just under the root of the top lashes. This creates the illusion of darker, thicker lashes after mascara. We're almost there. If you want a more smoky finish, you can pack on more colour with your finger. Just don't forget to blend. The trick to a smoky eye is patience. You will need to keep adding colour and blending. Finish with your favourite mascara and lashes if needed. Up until now, you haven't needed to clean your brush. Spot clean with a spray of brush cleaner and swirl around a tissue and you're all set. To tie the look together, you want to add a highlight shade to the inner corner and brow bone. Bend your brush with your index finger and use the translucent powder you used earlier. Just apply this under your brow bone to smooth out the edges and also the inner corner. This will brighten and open the eyes. And that's it. That is all you need to create the perfect beginner's smoky eye. I really hope you're enjoying this series so far. Let me know if you have any requests. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!